All right, so I made a big etiquette mistake over the weekend. Here I am spouting off about etiquette, and it was just a huge faux pas that I made. All right, so my husband and I were having dinner at P.F. Chang's with two other couples. And you know how you share everything. And so he was sitting across from me, and then there was my friend, a woman, sitting to my left, and another woman sitting to my right. And so we ordered calamari as an appetizer, and so did the couple to my left. Well, instead of my husband and I sharing the calamari, I had to share it with my friend sitting next to me. And that would seem okay to most people, except I am such a germphobe. I don't like to share appetizers with anybody, not family, not friends, not anybody, just my husband and my son. That's it. I don't know what it is. I feel like if I grab one piece, I'll accidentally touch another piece, and I don't know. It's just my own problem. But anyway, so what do? I decide to take the serving fork and take half of the calamari and put it on my plate. Well, it all stuck together, so I ended up taking more than half. And then I said, Kathy, you just have that half and I'll take this half. And I put sauce all over it. I don't want to get sauce on yours. And it ended up being all right because she didn't end up eating her whole less than half and gave some to the guy. So, and then I said, oh gosh, I'm sorry, I accidentally took too much. And she was like, no, it's no problem. So it ended up being all right. But what should I have done in that situation? Well, really, you're supposed to take one piece of calamari at a time, or whatever the appetizer is when you're sharing. Or, and this is what I should have done, taken the serving fork and another clean fork and taken a quarter, not half, just a quarter. And that way I don't look like, I'm eating all this food and then I'm taking more than my share, and I can still put what I want on my plate. And that's what I should have done, because it sticks together, whatever it is. So it ended up being all right, and you live and learn. Next time I'll order egg rolls, something like that.